We put milk in there one time for him and he didn't like it. But he'll drink it on the side. Got a spoon right there.
I like how Wes likes to be involved. I made the dough and then he cut up the noodles. He's also making the meat.
I like eating bananas too.
ASMR. We're using the beef broth for this time instead of chicken. So this is what we usually use, the U-bin, but I remember that I have some Russian coffee in my cabinet. I had gotten in one of my, I don't know, around the world subscription boxes from the past, and Wes, I showed it to him and he wants to try it, so yeah.
Wife's taking a nap. I'm gonna be very, very annoying. See how long it takes for her to get mad. With the popcorn.
Shut up. So I wanted to get out of the RV. I've been stuck in there for a couple days, going crazy. So hiking. The kids are asleep, so Wes and the kids just stayed in a car, and it's pretty fun actually running on the snow. Axel's having a blast wherever he went. I've hiked this like so many times, and sorry, I'm kind of sick still, so it's hard to talk, but my phone stopped working. Not this one, this is the vlog phone, but my actual phone stopped working, I think because it was like too cold, and it started to like freak me out just because I didn't have my phone, and I saw something like run across the path, and it freaked me out because I didn't know what it was, and yeah. I don't know. My parents got Minnie these jeans, and they fit like so good on him. Normally, like when I get jeans like elsewhere, like maybe like Walmart or something, they're like all baggy, but these like fit like just perfect. And I guess she got like the slim, or slim. They look so good on you. They look so good. They fit you just right. We got the kids nuggets. So I'm making vegan fish We used to eat this a lot, but Walmart stopped carrying it. It's really good, actually. 9 grams of protein, contains omega-3s. I'm making tartar sauce now. I've got vegan mayonnaise. I cut up pickles and put it in here, but I'm going to cut up some more. I added some apple cider vinegar. Alright, so here's the vegan fish.
Caught it with the spin bait.